guys! So we're staying at Azure room 2609.
I'm watching the water reaching the shore. The sky is forever until you come home. Your skin is... Who am I to argue with? We can't seem to have fun. Your eyes are distant like the moon. I know I'm happy, but I just can't feel it.
Simple. Hi guys! So we are staying at Azure room 2609. Tara! Welcome to Cozy Coon. Ang pinili ko pala is the Korean inspired kasi may iba-iba silang design. Marami silang condo. Come inside. Pag open ng door, meron ditong sabitan. And then on the right side corner, merong door dito on the way to the CR. Yan. Ito, mayroon tayong free soap, hand soap, water. Tapos may free hair dryer. Ayan ang ating cameraman. Camera woman. Meron tayong ditong mirror. And then the toilet. And then may shower lang. Tapos may free na tong, yan, shampoo tsaka body wash. Yan, shower. Tapos dito yung towel. Yan. That's all. Tapos, eto, may induction cooker. And then, nandito pala yung, ano to? Chopping board. Utensils. Basta nandiyan. Yung pang cookingware. Plates. Tapos yung mga baso. May spoon and fork din. Kasi kumain kami kaya. Ayan. Ito. May sponge. Sink. Tapos merong microwave. And this one, ano to? Yung mini pantry ng may-ari. And kapag kumuha ka dyan, mababawas dun sa security deposit na 1K. Ay, meron palang telephone dito. Hindi ko napansin. And may dala tayong stroller for baby. Makeup kit ko. And mga iba pang gamit. Meron din tayong rice cooker. Mini fridge. Nandito yung cake ni Jaja, 8 months, and cake ni Kaka as 8 years old. Sandito, baon namin tong egg na to. Tapos ito, dito na talaga to. While this one is, dala namin to. Except that, hindi rin namin yan dalang mga alak. Gatorade, ito dito, free water. 4 na water bottle. Tapos ito, ay hindi rin sa amin to. Gatorade, Coke, Magu-Magu, Chucky. Yan yung mga baon namin. And this egg para sa breakfast tomorrow. And then, Meron din tayong kettle. And may ano dito, may free coffee sila. Ito yung lunch namin kanina. Nag-take out kami ng McDo. Let's go! Ay, open natin yung... Ayan. Yan yung light. Napapalitan yung kulay.
Yan, yung white.
Yung white daw, ang request nila. May 2 ano dito. Chairs. Pero, hindi ko sinasuggest. Kasi, hindi siya parang stable. May dala din kaming wallet. Tapos, ang bonus. Ito, may closet. May mga hangers. Huwag yun na tingnan. Laman. Ito, kay baby yan. And then, dito, mayroon tayong free na toothbrush. Toothbrush and mga towels. And on this side, trash can. Dito, naubos na namin yung tissue. Ito sa amin, kay baby to. Merong Jenga. May mga, games. Uno. Snake and ladder. Yan, connect. What's this one? Who is it? And may Xbox. Nandito yung games niya. Call of Duty. Yan. Itatry namin to later on. Meron ding, karaoke. And ito, pinapanood ni Kaka is Yay. Whatever. Yan yung pinapanood niya sa bahay hanggang dito. Ito, dala namin to. We stopped by at Angel's Pizza San Fernando. Tapos ito, nung isang araw pa namin to ginrocery sa Pico. And ito na yung bed. Tapos, may side table. And Jaja is Mama. Jaja with Lola. And of course, the birthday girl, Aika. Ito, may full body mirror. Yan o. And then, this one, nako-convert to as bed. Ito, invertible. Tama ba yung term ko? Yun yung aircon, may pillows. May mga games pa pala dyan, cards. Tapos yun yung gift ni Kaka, tapos damit namin. And this one, may mini balcony. Let's go outside. Medyo mainit kasi around 3 p.m. Yan yung view nyo. Oh, ayun pala yun. Yung Arayat. Wow. And that's the Sky Ranch SM Pampanga. And look. Oh. And lastly guys, sorry. May mga dito, chairs. Camping chair. Yan, dalawa. So, let's go inside. Mainit. Hello. Thank you, Love you. Love you. Wow, damit. Thank you. Oh, sige, open mo. Oh, pang tulog para mamaya. Yes. Thank you. Adios. Next is from Atenes. Atenes. Thank you. Nasa si Tasha. Okay. Naman siya. Pero thank you. Thank you daw, Atenes. Shout out to Atenes. Shout out. Shout out to Jaja. Nagpaparinig siya, oh.
Vlog. Ang Jaja maganda.
Okay, try mo na. Sabi mo. What's that?
Ang squishy.
Yan ba yung nire-request mo?
Yes. At isang damit.
Ah, yan yung jersey.
Yes, yung jersey.
Kaya yung taba-taba
Kasi ang
jersey.
dami.
Yung may taba-taba jersey.
Pero hindi naman to, pero...
Open mo yung ano.
na.
Ay, wow! Oo
May
nga
ano
na.
ako dito.
Wow! I thought so. Ang ganda. It's
So
customized.
squishy.
Squishy. Peram. Wow. Oh, sige, next one.
Next one is
For-
from Mama. Thank you, Mama. Love you so much. Mwah.
Wow, so sweet naman.
Wow.
Tingnan mo. Madami yan. Tingnan mo.
Wow.
Kunin mo.
It's my favorite color, pink.
Wow.
Thank you, Mama.
Harap mo. Harap mo. I-flex mo. Wow.
Skirt. Skirt.
Wow.
Wow. Another one.
Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Welcome.
Ka-partner.
Partner.
Wow. Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Ganda ah.
Yes.
Next one daw.
Kuromi, my favorite.
Kuromi.
Kuromi.
Sayang walang purple. Pero it's so cute.
Last lang yan.
Last lang daw. Oh,
Ka-partner. Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Wala na.
Shout
Okay.
out to Mama, Ate Osh, and Ate Berenice.
wow! You're welcome. Happy
Thank you
birthday.
all.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Who am I to argue with? We can't seem to have fun. Your eyes are distant like the moon.
Happy birthday, Nina!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday!
Di naman video. Tug na ako.
Para hindi ka mabusog, dami mo kailangan.
Good morning! Merong ano dito, shadow, pag nandito siya.
Yan.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa my pool. So, we just checked out sa Azure, guys. It's currently 11:52.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay lang ito ngayon. Yes, honest. Mga kampo. Tinanggal ka kasi sa'yo eh. Kita agad. Tinanggal ka kasi yes, baka niya mata.
In my early age, I heard him talk about true love.
So guys, nandito kami sa capital town. And dito nag-lunch kami sa SM Pampanga. And then naglaro na siya ng ano tawag doon? Sa playground.
Bouncy house.
Bouncy house or whatsoever. And then we are on our way to buy clothes. Kung may magugustuhan ako. Kasi ang init ng suot ko while yung extra clothes ko is formal. And then yeah, we're gonna buy you food. Kasi gutom na naman siya kasi napagod siya. And then later on, magbabike daw siya. Update guys, wala akong nagustuhan ng damit. And request ni Kaka is Moza Pointo. And later on, daw, anong drink?
Mango Graham.
Mango Graham, yung shake. Look at here. Show them yung ano, pinamili mo.
Mango Graham and corn dog.
Yes. So guys, this is our lunch. Chow fan with siomai. Nagpabili si mama ng fish cake, odeng. Mahang, spicy. And ito yung pinili kong drinks. Lemon cucumber. And this one, barbecue. Saka hotdog. Ayan, update. Hello, Jaja! Hello, good evening. Nagising na pala yung baby ko.
What true love is, it's love in the Middle Ages. Love in the Middle Ages. I chase love across the oceans, but I never knew what it was like